Did you know that having a YouTube channel can save you money on taxes as a business owner or freelancer? Welcome to the age of new media, where YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment, but a powerful tool for business. For those who run their own business or freelance, YouTube holds a wealth of opportunities, and one of those opportunities is tax savings. Yes, you heard it right, tax savings. Let's break it down. As a business owner or freelancer, there are countless expenses you incur in the course of your work. These are typically tax deductible. Now imagine adding YouTube-related expenses to the mix. Suddenly, you're not just investing in your business, but potentially reducing your taxable income. For instance, if you're a freelancer who travels and documents your journey on YouTube, your travel expenses could be considered business-related and hence tax deductible. That's right, your dream vacation could be a business expense. All you need is to create content around it and share it on your YouTube channel. Or perhaps you're a business owner who uses YouTube to showcase your products or services. The equipment you use to create your videos, the software to edit them, even the space you use as your studio could all be tax deductible. Essentially, you're saving money while growing your business. But tax benefits are just one aspect of the power of YouTube. It's also a platform that allows you to reach a global audience, build a community around your brand, and establish yourself as an authority in your field. It gives you a voice, and in today's digital age, that's priceless. Moreover, YouTube is a search engine. It's the second largest after Google. So, having a presence on YouTube significantly boosts your visibility online. You're not just a business owner or a freelancer anymore, you're a content creator, a storyteller, a thought leader. So consider this, a YouTube channel isn't just a tool for promotion, it's an investment in your brand, your reach, and your bottom line. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more to explore about YouTube's potential for your business. Consider the case of Jack, a freelance graphic designer who loves to travel. Jack has an adventurous spirit and a knack for capturing his experiences through the lens of his camera. He decided to blend his profession with his passion and created a YouTube channel showcasing his journeys, all while providing graphic design tips and insights. Now you might be wondering, how does this connect to his freelance business and taxes? Well, since Jack's travels were being documented and shared on his YouTube channel for educational purposes, they became an intrinsic part of his business operations. This opened up an interesting avenue for him, business expense deductions. You see, when Jack jetted off to Rome, he wasn't just exploring the Colosseum or enjoying a gelato by the Trevi Fountain. He was also studying the intricate mosaics in ancient ruins, the color palettes of local markets, and the typography on street signs. He was gathering inspiration for his design work, which he then shared with his audience on YouTube. By doing this, Jack was able to transform his travel expenses into business expenses. Flights, accommodations, meals, even tickets to museums. He could deduct these costs from his taxable income. And this is entirely legitimate. As long as the primary purpose of the travel is business-related, and the expenses are ordinary and necessary, they can be deducted. This approach not only reduced Jack's tax liability, but also helped him to grow his business. His YouTube channel attracted potential clients who appreciated his unique design inspirations and insights. His travel vlogs painted a picture of a dedicated professional who goes the extra mile, quite literally, to deliver exceptional work. So Jack's love for travel and his decision to share his journey on YouTube led to a win-win situation. He could explore the world, grow his business, and enjoy tax deductions, all at the same time. Jack's story shows how creatively using YouTube can lead to surprising tax benefits. It's about thinking outside the box, taking your business to new heights, or in Jack's case, new destinations. Meet Sarah, an online store owner who sells handmade crafts. Sarah's business is a labor of love. Each piece she creates is a reflection of her passion and creativity. She decided to open a YouTube channel as an extension of her online store. Her channel is a vibrant showcase of her products, but it's not just a digital shop window. Sarah takes her viewers on a journey, showing them the intricate process of crafting each piece. From sourcing materials to the final stroke of paint, she invites her audience into her creative world. This does more than just sell products, it builds a connection with her audience. They're not just buying a product, they're buying a piece of Sarah's passion, a slice of her story. And in today's digital world, that connection, that story, is invaluable. But there's a financial advantage to Sarah's YouTube channel as well. As a business owner, she's able to deduct the costs associated with making her videos as business expenses. This includes the cost of the materials she uses in her demonstrations, the equipment she uses to film her videos, and even a portion of her home's utility bills, as her home is her studio. These deductions can significantly reduce her taxable income, leading to substantial tax savings, and all the while she's marketing her products, growing her brand, and connecting with her audience. Sarah also uses her YouTube channel to provide customer service. She answers questions about her crafts, gives maintenance tips, and even takes custom orders. This interactive approach not only builds trust with her customers but also adds a personal touch to her online store. So, you see, Sarah's YouTube channel is more than just a platform for her to display her crafts. It's a marketing tool, a customer service hub, a source of tax savings, and most importantly, a way for her to share her passion with the world. Sarah's experience illustrates how YouTube can be a platform for cost-effective marketing and tax savings. It's not just about creating content, it's about creating connections, cultivating a brand, and carving out your own corner of the digital world. YouTube isn't just a platform. For business owners like Sarah, it's a game changer. Beyond tax benefits, there are other compelling reasons to start a YouTube channel in 2024. Let's delve into those, shall we? The digital world is ever evolving, and video content is becoming increasingly vital for successful digital marketing. Videos are a powerful tool to deliver your message effectively and engage with your audience on a deeper level. They offer a dynamic way to showcase your products, services, or skills in a way that static images or text simply can't match. And with YouTube being the second largest search engine after Google, having a presence there can significantly boost your visibility. But it doesn't stop at visibility. There's potential revenue to be made too. Once your channel meets certain criteria, you can start earning from YouTube ads. Every time a viewer watches an ad on your video or clicks on it, you earn a small amount. It might not be a goldmine initially, but as your channel grows, so can your revenue. And then there's the possibility of partnerships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers and creators to collaborate with. If your channel aligns with a brand's values and target market, they might just reach out for a partnership. This could mean sponsored content, product reviews, or affiliate marketing, all of which could provide an additional income stream. But perhaps one of the most valuable aspects of having a YouTube channel is the opportunity to build an online community. Your subscribers aren't just viewers, they're a network of individuals who appreciate your content and value your expertise. They can provide valuable feedback, help spread your content, and even become loyal customers or clients. In essence, a YouTube channel isn't just about videos. It's a platform for growth, for building relationships, and for carving out your unique space in the digital world. It's a way to reach people you might not have been able to otherwise, and to share what you do in a creative and engaging way. These are just a few reasons why YouTube should be part of your business strategy in 2024. In conclusion, if you're a business owner or freelancer, YouTube offers a unique combination of benefits. The power of YouTube in the world of business and freelance cannot be overstated. This platform is more than just a place to share videos. It's a space to engage with a vast global audience, to build a community, and to grow your brand. Let's revisit the key points we've discussed. Firstly, the potential tax savings. As the old saying goes, a penny saved is a penny earned. By creating content related to your business or freelance work, expenses can become tax deductible. Our traveling freelancer, for instance, managed to transform a holiday into a business expense by documenting the journey and sharing it with followers. This is not to encourage frivolous spending, but rather to highlight the potential benefits of creative and strategic thinking. Secondly, the marketing potential. A YouTube channel is like having your own broadcasting station, where you can share your products, services, and ideas with the world. It's a powerful tool for showcasing your expertise, establishing credibility, and building trust with potential clients or customers. The online store owner we discussed earlier serves as a perfect example. By creating engaging product videos and behind-the-scenes content, they were able to connect with their audience on a personal level, boosting their brand's visibility and sales in the process. Lastly, the ability to build a community. YouTube is a social platform. It allows you to interact with your audience, respond to their comments and questions, and even collaborate with other creators. This can lead to a loyal community of followers who are not just customers, but advocates for your brand. In the ever-evolving digital landscape of 2024, these advantages make YouTube an indispensable tool for any business owner or freelancer. It's not just about making videos, it's about creating value, forging connections, and achieving growth. So, ask yourself, can you afford to ignore the potential of YouTube for your business in 2024?